Alrighty guys, welcome back to the stream. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, make sure you do that. Let's get it going. This might be a very short stream depending on whether or not TikTok will work. I might try this for a little bit. Let me just get TikTok going. We'll see. What up, Dean? Welcome, brother. How are you? What's going on? We're back. Sick, yeah. Can you hear it? Sorry to hear about your nan. Condolences. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Yeah, I also fucking woke up horrendously fucking sick today. It's just like, fucking, oh, bro. Annoying, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, I'm on the wrong TikTok. Hold up. I gotta end this one. I gotta log back into my other one. I just realized, shit. How are you? How's your weekend? It's just gonna be me and you for a second. I think. Log out. Shit, where's my phone? Oh. Get out of here. Fuck, I gotta do this. Wait, no, I should be able to just log into my phone, right? Log in. No. Oh, bro, my head. I don't know how long this, oh, rapid drop bear. I didn't even realize. That was you, sorry. You're both purple. Thank you very much. Sorry, I thought that was Dean. I apologize. Thank you, bro, thank you. Okay, we'll give this a crack. Sorry, man. We'll give that a crack. Jesus. Yeah. Goodbye. How are both of your weekends? We'll give TikTok a crack. It might be still cooked. Not too sure, but we'll give it a go. How's your weekend, guys? Come on. Give me the spiel. I honestly really don't like this mix. Bro, my head is it's like pounding, eh? This is better. Alright, we got that going. Oh, cool. Good. Yes, how are we? We've had honestly, man, one of just a absolutely picture perfect month in trading. Could not be happier with our results. Fuck. Couldn't be happier. Okay, there we go. You're green now. Weekend was boring. So happy that it's Monday now. Really? Happy that it's Monday? Crazy, man. Not too bad. Working early morning, 2 a.m. start, so a bit shit. Oh, that's rough. Yeah. Well, it's back to Monday. Back to reality. Gotta get stuck into it. So I'm gonna be coughing and sounding like shit for a bit. So I do apologize for that. What do we need? We need this open. Need that there. Oh, fuck, man. We got the YouTube chat here. And then we'll see how long this lasts for on TikTok. And then we'll go from there. Also, I'll check the like counter back up too. I'm worried that this might have an impact. So I might actually leave it off. Leave Tickfinity off. Because I just don't know what's going on with TikTok at the moment. Where are you located? What time do you trade at? I'm located in Brisbane and I basically just all the time. So I've developed an expert advisor which is like a algorithmic bot that gets me in and out of a lot of my positions. I just monitor it the majority of the time and alter it here and there. Yes, bro, period. What do you mean by that? WJL1? What are you trading? Forex, currencies. Sorry, guys. Fuck, man. Fucking, bro, I haven't had a cold in fucking so long, like years. Fucking years. Welcome, people. It's very slow. It's very slow today. More chat settings. Let me just get this joining thing going, and then we might just switch over the charts as well. If this lasts for like 10 minutes, we'll switch back over. That was it was very nice of everyone to say all that shit in the Discord before. Very nice. I don't know if anyone's in here from the Discord, but thank you. Oh. Anyway, trading. I'll show you guys profits and losses for what we're currently in. Let me just squiggle out all my fucking money. I just got out of Euro Pound. Yeah, Euro Pound. There's a huge movement, as you guys can see on the pound. I just got out of Euro Pound. So, this is what we look... That's not what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. How much money did you start with? 20 grand. Like 3.5 years ago. This is what we're looking at for the month. Shit, you guys. Oh wait, fucking hell! TikTok can't even see. Okay, well you can if you're on Kick or YouTube, you can see profits and losses for the month. It's right here. I don't. Oh fuck! I don't even know if anyone's. Let me have a look. If people are still here. Oh, yeah, there's a couple of you. Oh, there's fucking heaps of people in Kick. What the fuck? It's in such a bearish push. On what, bro? Gold Coast, Brisbane. What up, Jam Hot? How are ya? Man, I swear I never see you anymore. Euro Pounds for so much liquidity. It was a good push. I just got out. A decent chunk of profit. You guys won't be able to see just yet. I'm just testing TikTok to see how it reacts at the moment because I had that weird shit where we were getting stuff. We were getting fucking restricted. What up, Mick? With a bunch of eyes, or hey with a bunch of wives. What up? How are you? You good? What up, everyone on Kick? We got a couple of viewers in Kick. That's exciting already. Monday. Yeah, I'll jump up Euro Pound. We pushed and then we were just kind of fizzling out, and you know, I was just like, fuck it. I'm debating whether to get out of this actually. Yeah, I'm getting out of that. We're double topping. There's not too much resistance, but I'm pretty much a TP, so that was pound odd. Another bit of profit, I'll take it. I'll take it. Even if it does push up and take out TP, it's going to be such a minor difference. We're already in a whopping bit of profit. Obviously, this was our fucking break-even level, and we just skyrocketed up, blasted through yesterday's high, or Friday's high, sorry. And then Euro Pound was the other one I took off just before. See, I would have hit TP anyway, but I was a few ticks away from TP. TP was around here, I think. It was just here. And I took TP at that level right there, which, I mean, that's absolutely fucking nothing. Blasted through to the downside. Obviously, the pound is very strong right now. What strategy would you suggest for beginners, scalping or day trading? I would honestly probably recommend swing trading for a beginner. Definitely not scalping. Day trading, yeah. Swing trading's a lot better. Yeah. Bro, any idea of if XRP will drop below $3? I honestly don't have that much knowledge on XRP, so not too sure, man. I apologize. Fantastic. Figured I might be the greatest bias picker, but probably the most frozen trader. GJ Longs. Played out word for word in my pre-market journal. Nice. Good job. But you didn't get in? Nice, mate. Tomorrow will be the same basically all week. It's going to be nuts. Hopefully. Lots of positions, lots of... I mean, I'd happy with stepping back for the end of the month if it's going to be hectic. Like, we've done 12.33% this month, and I'm in 0.4% drawdown. Like, bro, picture perfect month. Even better. Like, this has been even better, you know? If picture perfect would be like 7.5%. Lindsay McLean, thank you very much for following me. Where have you been? On Friday I didn't stream because TikTok has been cooking us. Oh shit! JP Journey, thank you very much for the treasure box and the the rabbit drop bear. I mean, for the heart mean, the rabbit drop bear. Thank you for the treasure box. Thank you. And then over the weekend, I don't know if you're talking about the Discord, but you can go look in there what happened. Day trading or affiliate marketing? Why not both? Cheers, bro. Oh, sweet. Sorry, I can't really answer the XRP questions. I'm just not too well versed in crypto, to be honest. Damn, we had a bit of a drop. Yeah, shit. I mean, it's typical. Everybody's buying in. Everybody just made an absolute fucking shitload of money, and then they're all taking profit. So the same might happen on Bitcoin. But I thank you so much for the treasure box. I appreciate it. We're really not getting any viewers right now, so I might have to. I feel like I still have some form of restriction on my account. It's very strange. Do I have any flares? Yeah, I do. Go to tier 2. Okay, well, we've lasted 11 minutes like this. I'm going to change it back, and we're gonna go full out. Let's just do it. Fuck it. And let's see if this triggers TikTok to suspend us. Thank you very much again, the rabbit drop out from that, bro. Like, really appreciate it. Nope, had 3 targets at 4.5 RR, then 5.55. And the final at 10.6. Jeez. Currently 2/3 have been hit. Nice. So did you actually get in? Or did you not trade it? Honestly, if it were named GJ, I would have predicted. Nice, nice. What up, Brock? Came over to kick. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you're following me if you're not. I've been practicing how to trade. Once I learn and start profiting, hope to trade with you. Of course, bro. I'm not going anywhere, so... Of course, any questions you have, just throw them in. Alright, I'm not going to open Tickfinity. So make sure you're liking the shit out of the stream because there's no like counter, so we'll probably be a lot less, have a lot less likes in TikTok. I mean, we're looking good so far with TikTok. Yeah. Give it a red hot crack. How's everyone on TikTok's weekend? Which one are you from Caboolture? Mad. True. Fucking oath. There's actually a lot of people from Brizzy that trade, eh? Rabbit drop out with the ice cream cones. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you, thank you. Yo, the duo are back. Apple user indeed. Still no action on TikTok? Yeah, man. Super cooked. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. We just got to run them likes up. We're going to run the likes up. No structure, not even on the 1 minute. By the time it broke structure, it already flew up. Yeah, let me have a look at it. What was it, GJ? Pretty sure. Yeah. What the fuck? Why do I have these here? Get these off my... Get them off my screen. Man, what a... Oh, shit. Yeah, GJ honestly is probably such a good pair to trade. Like, honestly, it's probably so good to trade for just this type of volatility. Because it's pretty nuts. Birchop! Help me and go popular. And reached member level 18. Our highest member level. Thank you very much, Birchop. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Level 18. Fuck yeah. Let's have a look at Birchop's stats. 507 gifts sent, 86 live streams watched, and 1,669 minutes of live watched. Number one supporter. Dude, what should we be doing calls on? That's like options. I don't trade options. Where the like chart. Pardon? Oh shit, we got kick popping off. Let's have a look. It's 30 degrees in your apartment? Why? Motherfucker. Yeah, London opened within the first 30 minutes of open. It's pound. The pound is just going nuts. So I'm gonna name my first kid GJ. Nice. Thank you again, Birchop. Appreciate it. We need to run the likes up because we got no like counter. We're gonna test this for another 10 minutes and then we'll try Tickfinity. And then if Tickfinity allows us to continue to stream, because it might be that we just got a process of elimination with this stuff. The open was so nice to me. Fuck yeah. Man, we've had, oh, now that the TikTok guys can see, have a look at this. For just the cleanest month. The cleanest month. 12.33% this month, sitting in 0.44% drawdown. I just took off the pound odd, which would have been a bit more. We would have been closer to 0.25. We were a slither away from 0.25%. So, fuck my head. It's probably still around there. I don't fucking know. Jesus, man. Sorry, I'm a bit all over the shop. How important do you think journaling is when it comes to learning to day trade? That's a great question. Journaling is an interesting thing, and an interesting kind of it gets pushed a lot, right? It gets pushed a lot. I started journaling trades, but it dropped off pretty quickly, like probably in the first 6 months, because journaling was such a big topic. You need to journal your trades, all of that stuff. Can you not just remember? I mean, you can go back and look at what trade, and it depends on your strategy too, I suppose. I don't know. For me, journaling isn't like #1 priority. It's not. But when you're starting out, maybe do it for a couple of months. And then if you continue to think that you want to journal, then go for it. Did you quit the flying power hitting white monster now? Well, no. This was from this morning. So, no. I just ran out. I ran out and I couldn't be fucked going down to the shops. And like, I ended up going to the shops anyway. And getting more flying power, so they're in the fridge. I just felt like, I don't know, drink. I just picked that. You need that energy drink. Yep, that's what I was doing. If 8% was, then 12%. Yeah, well, 7.5 to 8% is our, around our monthly average. We did 9%. Ali X, thank you for following me, or Alex. Fuck, man, my brain is fucking fried, honestly. I hate being sick. That's our average, our monthly average. So if we're doing, 12.33%, it's a good fucking month. We take it. And last month we did 9.22, I think it was. Something like that, 9 point something. So yeah, I mean, fuck, we take it. We take it. I do recaps every day just for memories and a little bit so people could try my strategy. Yeah, it's not the worst thing in the world. Like you can, but when you're starting out, it's probably a good thing. It's probably a good thing. So you can go back and reflect and everything. But it's like journaling anything in your life, It really is. Mr. Brown, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. We're getting a few people gifting today. Thank you, guys. And we got the likes cracking too. 5K likes already. We're back. We are fucking back. Like, we are actually back. I'll be back in 10. All sweet. I like to journal to keep me straight, and ultimately, whatever I write down is my script. And that's like my code that doesn't get broken. Good stuff. No, the 8% was the incident, is what I mean. Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's pretty good. Fuck. What's the best way to manage emotions when on a losing streak? That's a great question as well. Not many people ask these types of questions anymore. They just go, XRP? XRP? Bitcoin? Why don't you have XRP? Why don't you day trade crypto? Scalp crypto. So no, I actually like these questions. It's fucking hard. Like there is nothing that you can kind of. Thank you, Dos. There's not much that you can do to prevent it because it's probably gonna be there regardless. But you can manage it, and over time, it's one of those things that take a long time to get used to. Being on a losing streak. Now, for me, I don't particularly go on losing streaks because my strategy doesn't particularly allow it. But I can be in a lot of drawdown and still be like kind of stressed or whatever, or be like fucking, I wonder what's going on here. But back in the day, it was a lot different, and I handled it fucking terribly. You just gotta have faith in your strategy, and if you don't, then your strategy doesn't work. You know, if you've done all the back testing and everything and seen on the fucking charts when you're doing the back testing that there will be losing streaks, but it'll come back. You just gotta kind of step back and fucking relax. Another thing you can do is just don't look at the charts. Get in a trade and fuck off. I say this in one of my TikTok videos. If you get in a trade, your levels are set, you've set them for a specific reason, walk away. And this is one of the things that happens with a lot of traders with stop loss strategies, and it's one of the big determining factors into why so many people are unprofitable, is because they just simply can't handle going on stop loss streaks. Happens all the fucking time. Thank you, Mr. Brown, for the heart me. And the rose. Jesus, the rose. Thank you. That was very nice. Why don't you trade gold? Is that a gold chart? Yeah, fuck. The gold people are just, they're very persistent. The gold and crypto, man, it's crazy. Like everyone, like their NQ traders are chill. The currency traders are chill. It's the crypto and the gold people, they're fucking, it's like, gold, why don't you trade gold? Like, what? Shit. Mr. Brown with the you're awesome. Thank you very much. 2 you're awesomes. What's with all the gifts? They're rolling in. Yeah, XRP to the moon. Yeah, whoa! King Rolly Ratio. Thank you for following me. Kick. Losing streak 0-9 and pretty much crying yourself to sleep. That's the greatest canon event in my trading career, 4 months on, and I give 0 fucks, even though it's my only source of potential income. Yeah. Oh, the third GJ towers just hit, got 10.6. Fucking hell. That's pretty good. Yeah, you kind of just become numb to the losing streaks. Like, it becomes very difficult, and there is things where you can journal and self-reflect on each trade and do fucking meditation and all this shit, but a lot of it just comes down to time and mistakes and seeing your strategy play out over and over and over and over again for months, years on end, that you understand everything about it and why it does what it does and why you go on those losing streaks, and then you just stop worrying, kind of. You're welcome, brother. Yeah, bro, thank you so much. That was a lot of gifts. I appreciate that. How's your day been today? Hey, I'm fucking... it's been alright. It's been alright. It was probably one of the less better days today. Fucking no sleep. Woke up sick as a fucking dog. Obviously, you probably saw what happened over the weekend, so yeah, but it's alright. Still gotta work. Thank you for following me on Kick too. Thank you very much. But it's okay. I just sound like a fucking, you know, when I talk like that. Life's not that bad, you know. It's all good. How's your day been? How's everyone else's day? I want to know about weekends. I always like hearing about people's weekends. In your opinion, what separates a gambler from a disciplined trader? It's funny. My opinion is that the majority of traders are like gamblers because they don't know the details. They don't know why the market moves. They don't know why their strategy works the way it works. And a lot of the lower time frame scalpers are pretty much gamblers. A lot of people don't backtest and haven't backtested their strategy for 5-10 years and knows what happens when things go wrong. So it can be the other thing is another thing that separates gamblers from, you know, disciplined trader is something like revenge trading, over leveraging, over trading, trading when your setup's not there. That's just gambling. You know, and same thing with the over leveraging, going fucking max margin and fucking all this shit. It'll bite you. It'll bite you eventually, and it's gonna suck. But people will pay the price. And Mr. Brown with 2 TikToks. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. XRP gonna soar ever. Did it not just soar? Pretty sure it just went pretty fucking ballistic. It's pretty hectic. And the ice cream cone. Ice cream's so good. Got VIP tickets to Lumineers, so my life only gonna improve. What is that? Should I know what that is? Oh, it's the fucking news. Reading. The band? Get this shit off my screen. Benjamin, thank you very much for following me. Best strat using fair value gaps. Anything that doesn't involve, I mean, taking entries off fair value gaps is pretty risky. They're not always 100% accurate. I use them for kind of like support and resistance, just as targets to get out of trades. Because a lot of the time price will drive towards those areas, right? You got to use them as like an area. So getting in off of gaps can be not always the best idea. Because I've been using these for fucking years, right? I originally knew them as wide range bars. ICT's basically just renamed it. They've been around since the 1990s. And they're not, I've seen a billion fucking fair value gaps, and they're not always that accurate. I personally wouldn't base a strategy off of those. I would use them as targets on a higher time frame, which is what I do. Thank you for the "you're awesome" as well, Mr. Brown. Fucking so many. Yep. What do you mean? Yep. What's your strat on Aussie dollar, US dollar? I use the same strategy for all currency pairs. And that's Baden. This will probably be for you too. I'll come to you guys on Kick in a second. Basically what I do, yeah, I'll show you. I'll get the VPS up and explain. Okay, what am I in actually right now? I'll show you guys. Okay, New Zealand dollar CAD. We're not in very much at the moment. We're not in many trades at the moment. So what I do is, I developed an algorithmic bot to get me in and out of my positions. They're called expert advisors. You can look at them, look them up, People charge a fucking absolute fortune for them, so I would recommend probably not buying them because a lot of them don't work as well. So my bot detects extended conditions in the market and it'll get us in a sell, right? I use 0.25% of my account size for my initial position, and then upon an extension, which I have a different indicator that indicates the extension, will get me in another sell at a 1.3x multiplier. So it's a hybrid martingale strategy. And if it continues to go up, I'm surprised we didn't actually get another one there. I think it was just that spike that didn't allow us to get in. If we did, we'd be out with profit. Done, easy. So we were in 1, 2, flip-flopped around for a couple of days, had a spike up. Now we've had this big crash. Back down. Here's our TP. Our yellow line is our break even. So as we come in at a 1.3x multiplier, our break even shoots up, right? So we're a little bit over halfway on our break even line. So we're now in profit and we basically just wait for the markets to move. Because what happens, right, is when financial institutions, banks, hedge funds, pension funds, shit like that, they're buying these things up, right? They can't go forever. They literally just can't go forever. So has to come back down at some point. As we scale in, what that does is it brings our break even line. So if we scaled in again, our break even line would be up here. So we only need a smaller pullback to get out, which has to happen at some point. They can't just keep putting money in, keep putting money in. They have to take profit at some point. And what happens when they take profit, because when you buy, you have to sell, right? And so when you're a buyer, you have to turn into a seller to take your profit. So they turn into sellers and it drives the market down, and everybody that got on board in this swing ends up getting out, and that's what drives the market down. Obviously, we also have fundamental pushes in the market, but that's usually what happens is they get driven up by some form of fundamental news and they buy and they buy and they buy and they buy, and then eventually a negative fundamental news will come out and it'll drive it back down. Sometimes it doesn't even need fundamental news to come back down for a pullback either. They can just all start to take profit. We work off what the long-term financial institutions do. What are you trading? Forex currencies. Kick. Do you like the gym? Fuck yeah, I go to the gym every day. I didn't go today though, because I feel like I got hit by a fucking truck. But yeah. I want to ask you something. I saw on the 1 minute on GJ on TradingView, between two candles, there's quite a big gap. Usually that doesn't happen on TradingView unless it's upon market open. I was thinking it was just a large order that got filled within the candle changeover. On a 1 minute, that's not entirely uncommon. If some form of fundamental news came out, that could happen also. You know, something that drives the market pretty hard. But I've seen that plenty of times on 1 minute charts. Like, here's one for, oh, is that a day change though? Oh fuck, where'd that even go? Where'd I just lose that? Oh, there. Yeah, okay, that's change a day. But I've seen that on when, you know, news comes out. So I've seen it a million times, yeah. Nothing really here. There's one. Oh, that's a day change for sure, yeah. It's Monday. There's one. Nope. Fuck. Oh, I'm on the H4. I was like, bro, why does this look... Oh, come on, M1. Don't make me look like an idiot right now. I've definitely seen it. Why is this at the fuck? Oh, right. But yeah, if large news comes out and there's just slippage, it can just fucking slip and candle open. I mean, there's a gap here. But it just really depends how big of orders come in. Or how much the broker wants to spread it, essentially. It does depend on your broker. It's a bit there. Jesus, is that a change of day? Yeah. Right, yeah. What are you looking for? Oh, just gaps on the 1 minute. Wait, I just saw one, 100%. Where are you? Thank you for sharing the live, Matt. Where the fuck do I swear I just looked up? We had 20 people in here, and now we have fucking 9. That is some bullshit. I can't even pop a fucking flare. We got like none of the OGs in here tonight. Literally none of them. Kai? Sai? K? Thank you very much for following me. And Bankston, thank you very much for following me too. I mean, 8:12 to 8:13, I know, and I shouldn't have any massive news. Yeah. How long ago was that? Because it's probably, I mean, it's probably different on my... It's fucking ages ago. Two hours ago. Bro, I literally cannot even think. It'll be 10. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure. Pound yen. Tengok. My first time, and I'm still at the gym, tossing out my pre-market watch list in about an hour. Your first time what, sorry? I'm confused. Tossing out my pre-market watch list in about an hour. Oh, first time on channel. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's kind of dead at the moment, not gonna lie. 20k fucking likes though, thank you guys. I'm gonna chuck up Tickfinity again. And let's see if we can, let's get the like counter going. Alright, so if you like now, you should be coming up on the screen here somewhere. There we go, rabbit drop there. Thank you. You mentioned not having many on your channel this morning. Yeah, recently, it's been terrible. We got, we were averaging like quite a few fucking people, and then TikTok just stripped us of our fucking promotion, I guess. Like this, it's just getting worse. Like this has to be the worst. It 100% is. We've only had 400 people come through here, which is fucked. We'd usually, I mean, on our good days, we'd be at like 2,000 by now. We've got 400. So yeah, TikTok just isn't promoting us. Do you trade live? Yep. Well, use a EA. So all my trades are done. The majority of them are done via the EA. We just manage them. So I'm in trades. That looks fine on yours. On mine looks like a market open. Yeah, shit. I don't know. I experienced the same thing. Most vid posts are in the thousands. Last vid still sitting at 2. Yeah. 2 views. Yeah, it's I don't know what is going on right now. There's also a lot of people. I can't put flares up, so there's obviously a lot of people probably live streaming right now. So yeah. What car do you drive? Pagani Huayra. It's a piece of shit. I should message someone. 100% Subaru Forester. I actually crashed a Subaru Forester into a tree once. It's pretty funny. I was like 15. Tell me what you're looking at. You're looking at pound yen. Well, good luck today out to get ready. Fuck yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Pines? Pine trees? What are you talking about? What? Do I look super orange? Oh, shit. Do we still have that fucking TikTok AI enhance thing? I remember doing that to try and, it's like gone. The fuck? Okay. Must be off. We, there was like some AI enhancing that I tried because we kept getting restricted from TikTok. Pike? What? Put a voice changer? Can you? Did you just say that? Wait, did I? Can you guys still hear me? Hold up, I gotta... How do I do this? Hold up. Oh no, shit. No, fuck. No! Oh, there we go. Why does that say the number 8? Alright, so if I just... I like that. Get this off my fucking screen. Why is everything so... Oh shit. Cooked right now. Everything's cooked. Alright, what does TikTok have for us this week? 1,600 minutes of daily views for 2 days this week. Win 1 live match. Fuck. He's co-host for 10 minutes. Collect 5,500 diamonds. Someone send me 5.5 galaxies right now. Like, what the fuck? Post 2 short videos. Yeah, I'll probably do that. 5,000 minutes of views. We'll hit that. Live on 3 days. Easy. 550 minutes. We can do that. Oh yeah, we can do that. 180 comments. Oh, fuck. We might not get that today. Usually we're close to 600, but we're so dead. It's fucking ridiculous. I don't know how to do the voice changer. Can't really trade New York either with the news. Later we'll just domino effect my charts and just end up leaving my pairs dropping. There is, doesn't seem like there's any news later. Oh, never, no news on New York. Oh, right, yeah. I was gonna say, I didn't think there was. How do we put on a voice changer? Bro, what the fuck? Oh! And people say, I've got a green screen. They got no idea. I'm at the fucking beach right now. This is what I should be doing. That's fucking funny. How do I get this off? I don't know how to do the voice changer. There's no voice changer. But finally changed his green screen. I think the rest of the week has pretty much red falls all week on USD. It's gonna be a busy week. Busy. Yeah, I don't know how to do the voice changer. I don't know what are you even saying, Ben? Bro's leaving Mick all alone on Kick. Do we battle someone? I don't know, I can't speak English. Do we battle someone? TikTok wants us to win a live match. Oh, dude, I don't have the fucking energy right now, to be honest. Do it for Nadia. Ah, bro. Nah, if we had way more people in here. Maybe. Because we need shit. We need people. I'm Blade, she can call me Blade E. I ordered leather pants, gonna be sweating like Shaq. Why would you wear leather pants? It's a bit strange. That's so funny. It's really funny. Can we pop a fucking flare? I was only meant to be on for an hour. Because I feel like death. Hey man! Real talk, thank you very much for following me. Using bot right now, yep. When it's under 10 degrees, I'll start wearing winter clothes. Yeah, you're in the UK, aren't you? Yeah. What up, Migsy? How are you? Day trading? Swing day. If you don't mind me asking, what's the accuracy of your bot? I notice it's part of your mentorship. Accuracy in terms of what? It's a hard question to answer. Like strike rate for trades? Because it changes all the time. Sorry, guys. We'll go through this again, how it works. So, what it does, detects extended conditions. So we get in a short, right? Expecting it to drop. If it continues to go up, we have another indicator that we've coded in that you can alter. This is all customizable. And it will get us in another short. I personally only use 0.25% of my account per trade. Depending on market conditions, sometimes I drop it down to 0.1 and we scale in a 1.3x multiplier. Well, I do, you can do whatever you want. If it continues to extend, we'll get in on more positions as it goes up, right? Just continue to scale into the position until the banks and institutions, hedge funds, pension funds decide they want to start taking profits on their positions. And what happens when they do that is they turn into sellers or buyers, depending on which way the market's moving. And that causes pullbacks and we get out with profit. So the accuracy, I mean, I've taken like, in total lost trades, 2 in the last 8 months. Besides that, it's been pretty much like a 100% strike rate almost on terms of like the entire basket. So if we got into if we got into 3 positions, right, and we're in another one up here, that will bring our break even up a lot higher, and then our TP will be up here. So this position will technically be in a loss, but our entire basket of positions will be profitable, if that makes sense. It's an unconventional way of trading because people are small-minded and want to use stop losses and fucking ICT. You know what's crazy to me, actually? So I was thinking the other day, shorts all year round, using a prop. I have a prop account, but I use live. You know what I didn't understand? So there was this prop firm promoting, and there was another one, this really fucking famous trader. I'm not going to say his name. I have a friend who's affiliated with this guy, and I'm not going to call out the names, but there were these guys, right? This was 2 separate occasions. I can't remember. It might have been, I don't know, over the last few days. It's all just a fucking blur at this point. But over the last few days, I saw 2 separate people, right? Who they were prop firm owners, and pushing out these strategies, right? And it was typical ICT bullshit. One other one wasn't, but it is, like, one of them was, one of them wasn't. I can't say too much, but they were pushing out these strategies and promoting their fucking prop firms, right? What fucking sense does that make? Like, do people not see that and just, like, put 2 and 2 together? Like, I've been shitting on prop firms forever, and the promotions and all these traders that promote it and all this shit. Like, it's so fucking obvious that it's a rigged game in a game that's virtually impossible to beat. So the odds of you actually passing fundeds and getting payouts are just so small. So so these people, right, are pushing these fucking narratives of trading out to people to join their prop firms to use these ICT strategies and all of this shit. And it's like, man, how fucking stupid do you have to be to believe that these people want you to succeed and take their money? Makes no fucking sense, because prop firms, right, gonna go on a little rant that I've gone on fucking 50 million times. The only way they make money is from your challenges, from you failing their challenges. They get the money in their pockets. It's the only way they make money. They have demo accounts, right? This 80 fucking 20 profit split is just so if you get to that point, they don't have to pay you as much. There's no 20, they don't get 20% of anything because it's not real. It's ridiculous. It's fucking ridiculous. Makes no sense. Sean, thank you very much for following me. Sienna with 20 roses. Guess who's back? What up? Thank you very, very, very much. Oh, welcome back. I think she left, but welcome back. What pair are you trading? I trade 18 different pairs. Mr. Deacon. Funded X. I'm not gonna say anything. Hey bro, how you doing? What up, Sleepy? Good, how are you? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, good, sick. I don't know if you can hear it. What are you talking about? We're talking about prop firms. Prop firms on you fail, yeah. Sean, thank you. So don't use prop firms. Okay, this is the kicker, right? I have in the past, but you have to look at it differently. And right, I've been doing this for a very long time. And for beginners, it's one of the fucking worst things you can do. And I am funded, but I don't promote, like I don't even talk about it. And that's not what I do on here. On here, completely different. I haven't fucking used the prop firm in fucking forever. I've had to take trades to keep it active, but it's all just random bullshit. With like minimum lot size. What platform are you using? MetaTrader 4. My first prop firm I passed on had a 6% drawdown rule, but as soon as I was profit in the live funded, that drawdown turned into 4% trailing drawdown. So even if I had 50,000 USD into 50,001 USD, the drawdown on that account turns into 4%. That's a bit weird. See, I just want you to fail. It's a rigged game. It's a rigged game. It's just money. It's just money driven. I gotta stop talking about it too, but whatever. But it's literally, it's a rigged game. The fact people believe prop firms is actually absolutely fascinating to me. Yeah. You can use them, you can utilize them if you like know what you're doing and understand what they can be used for, but to think it's your ticket out is, you know, a lot of people get it wrong. Firms are good if you can pass them and get paid out. Well, yeah. The percentage is something ridiculous. It's like 0.04% of people actually make it to a payout. VX Vinder, too tough. VX NDR, too tough. Thank you very much for following me. Don't believe people like Trading Pool or others who promote they're working for those prop firms. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't really know them, to be honest. Got absolutely fucking no clue. Yep, small print doesn't say it anywhere on the account drawdown until you actually search for it within the 21-page document. Yeah, they all do it. It's so fucked. And they update them and fucking... It's a rigged game. That's all in size 8 print. So yeah, that was fun finding out. Yeah, legit. Put in the tiniest, like, grainy fucking writing. Yes, sir. So if I don't use prop firm, how much money should I start with? Well, that's subjective to who you are, right? Very subjective. You could fucking I recommend not starting out with any money in general. I would probably start off with demo trading and save your money. Save up a couple grand. But again, that might not be accessible to you. You know what I mean? So it's difficult. It's what I did for 2 years. Saved whilst using demo. It's possible. But it's not the prop firm's fault. If you can't pass a funded, it's 100% on you. Okay. Meegsy, thank you very much for the 5 heart puffs. I appreciate it. XRP is killing me, thinking it's going to hit a couple grand per coin soon. A couple of grand? Andy, you're awesome. Thank you very much, Meegsy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very kind of you. We've actually had like a half decent fucking stream. TikTok must have fixed their whatever was going on with this restriction stuff. I don't know what was going on there, but they must have fixed it. Don't forget, people like Trading Pool made their money through promoting these garbage prop firms. I don't know how he made his money. I've never really looked into him. So I can't particularly comment on that. You know what's funny though about that Funded X platform that old mate was talking about? I think he left because seems like he was a bit salty about me talking about prop firms like that. Whatever. Fuck. This Funded X, right? And this, what was his name? AJ Currency was like the face of Funded X. And then as soon as all this shit came out about Funded X, AJ's gone, and now it's fucking Slender Man with a cap on. That is the face of fucking Funded X. It's so bizarre. Have you guys seen this guy? This guy's literally Slender Man with a hat on. Oh, dude. This guy!
Going up in Australia. Are you looking for a side income? Where do you start? Get into funded trading. Let us give you the capital. You can trade with up to 200,000 and keep up to 100% of what you make. What are you waiting for? Get started today. Guys, cost of living is going up in Australia.
Bro,
last month we paid out over.
I know I wear hats all the time, but like,
traders. Many of these traders made over $10,000 in that month. If you guys want to be like one of those traders, join Funded X today. Why would anyone want to trade with a prop firm? What's in it for them? I'm about to tell you 3 reasons why you should trade with Funded X. Reason number 1, you get to trade with up to $200,000 of trading capital. Reason number 2, there's a 24-hour payout.
Did you just see that guy in the background?
Why would anyone want to trade with a prop firm? What's in it for them?
I don't like
tell
this.
You 3 reasons.
Dude, there's just like some Asian guy just standing in the background.
Reason number 1, you get to trade with up to $200,000.
Oh no, it's an Asian lady. Oh no, it is.
Trading capital. Reason number 2.
Yeah, what is this Slender Man? Bro, just bizarre. And all AJ's just like gone. Is there anything? Yeah, look.
Talk about a bit about your strategy. Like, how exactly do you trade? How do you find setups in the market?
Yeah, sweet. So I mainly use 15-minute narrative. So I wait for 15-minute order flow to either be bullish or bearish through smart money concepts. So breaks of structures.
There you go. What was I just saying? What was I just saying? Okay, we got the flare popped. Fucking oath. Let's go. We've got to pop off now. I was in bliss then, honestly, like an asylum patient after taking meds. Oh. Jesus. Hat's inside, but on top of that, shake my head. Yeah, I know. I can't, bro. Look at the fucking mop on this thing. You think I want to fucking do this? Fucking make it all slick and fucking just could be fucked. Hat with a suit is bizarre. So bizarre. It's like wearing two toe shoes with socks in a gimp suit. Yeah, dude, it's bizarre. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Yep. Gar, thank you for following me. It's already showing proof. It's going to be next Bitcoin, Ethereum. XRP is so fast, everyone uses. You need XRP and gold counter, like the like counter. See how many mentions it gets per live. Yeah, I know. That'd be kind of funny. Yeah, literally, I agree that the toe shoes, yeah. Look up toe shoes, they're bad enough. Oh, right, that's what you said. Yeah, I know. No, I know what they are. They're weird. They're weird. Like, weird. Best demo sites? Do you have a laptop or are you trading from a phone? Or a computer, PC? Bro, I saw one of his videos, he can't even speak English properly, called himself CEO. At least get a nice suit or something. Bro, it's so weird. AJ to bust with his, too busy with his bodyguards. Bro, I know like nothing about this guy. Matt Goss, thank you very much for following me. Thinks he's one of AJ's new partners. He had a big trading comp on, I think 3 of them became partners. True. Interesting. Well, oh yeah, I don't know, man. You prefer phone? Laptop, 100% laptop. What times do you normally trade? I think I answered this earlier. It doesn't matter when I trade. Just all the time. My bot's running all the time. Sean, I'd start with the... Fuck, my head, man. Hold up. Head feels like it's about to fucking explode. Yeah, laptop, 100%, trade with that. You can see so much more. You can understand the market so much more. On a phone, it's virtually impossible to be fucking profitable long term on a phone. So yeah, I'd go laptop, I'd go, where are you from, Sean? What country? I presume Australia, most likely. Fucking head. Does anyone else get the man flu? You're from the States. Shit, whereabouts in the States, actually? Is this a fake profile? I'd do MT4 and fuck. MT4 and like a Wander. You can give TradingView a go if you want. Oh, fuck. God damn. There's a lad I know that's 2 years unprofitable and he's dipped from trading and now he's selling courses about how to trade and he's made like 6K since July? The level of scum is too funny. Bro, I haven't even made that much from fucking my mentorship. The fuck? That's what I mean. I make nothing from it. I just don't push it, and I don't like scam. That's probably why I don't make shitloads of money from it. Bro, do you have COVID? Nah, I just got a cold, I think. I might have COVID. I don't fucking know. My head feels like it's gonna fucking explode though. I'm the biggest bitch when it comes to sickness. Oh, by the way, the course is listed at €400 a month with pay-per-view analysis. Bro, I wish I was a piece of shit. I'd do that all the time. I just couldn't. I don't have the I mean, I just have the morals. Oh, you're making money. How many points are you up right now? What do you mean points? I've earned over 11,000% this year alone. That guy's a liar, and I don't want him to scam people, so I blocked him. 11,000%. Pay-per-view course, he's going full OF mode, yeah. Instead of showing cheeks, it's him talking about how to backtest. That's pretty funny. Pips. I couldn't even tell you the last time I measured in pips, to be honest. I never measure in pips. I go percentage. Percentage of account. That's how I base my profits on this. That wasn't what we were looking at. This was just an analysis account. This got nothing on it. This is nothing. Fuck. I'm literally gonna have to get off in a second. My fucking head is killing me. Oh shit, oh shit. We took profit on this. Go damn! Extension down, got in, kept going down. Would have been nice to get in the second one, but that's okay. Climbed all the way up. Our TP was up here. That's where our TP was, and I guess we took it out. Happy days. Happy fucking days. US dollar yen. Still climbing on US dollar yen. Friday extension. This. Oh no, we got it in here. Came out, took it out. Done on longs, and then we got in another long. Obviously this pullback and extension again caused us to get in another short. Oh, sorry, short. Fuck me. Going sideways now and breaking up again. Shouldn't be too much longer until we get in another short. Should be nice, bring our break even up. For probably somewhere around this gap. That would be lovely. Yeah, that'd be a nice gap fill, actually. You know, beautiful market structure. Maybe up to last week's high, and then just start testing out last week's highs and this basically zone for resistance back down. Be absolutely fantastic, laddie. Yep, this seems pretty strong, this level here. So hopefully it's a movement. That was when we were fucking stuck in this for ages. 1, 2, 3. I think there was a few more. I don't know if there was one in there. I can't remember. I don't think there was actually. And then Hello, just a guy learning crypto. Welcome. Thank you very much for following me. And then we got out on, not that I don't think. I think it was this swing. Yeah, it was this swing down here. Oh yeah, we got out down there and then straight back into longs, out, came down, pushed back up, short, out. With that. A million fucking trades. We've been in a lot in US dollar yens. Made us a lot of money. Does anyone use Trust Wallet for their crypto? No idea. We don't trade crypto in here. Sorry, mate. Eli, your stock guy, currencies. Forex, yeah. Thank you, real talk. Oh shit, hold up. And worst bit about it, he asked me to check through his content, semi-mate IRL, and he knows I trade. I asked, what's it for? And he said, it's to send vids to mates if they ever wanted to learn. So I thought it was a nice gesture, but no, this guy's out keeping the rep of the community strong. Oh, and one of the lads IRL asked him for the course and didn't even give a discount, never mind for free as promised. Since then, someone slashed take his house, so calm, I guess. Jesus. Yeah. Yep. That's what you get. Holy fuck. Foreign exchange market. I don't know if I answered that. Fuck, man. My brain is fucking frizzled. Let's have a look at the likes. Who's pulling weight? The usual. The usual. The Rabid Drop Air with 8.2k likes. Fucking earth. Maisie 2.3, Alicio 1.2, Stuart 390, Matt 279, Real Talk 271, climbing up there, G4OZT. He's always creeping in there. 66, Sean 46, Big Wheels 38. Thank you guys. Big Wheels? I think he did say something earlier actually. Did he say something earlier? I don't know. Yeah, when this, wait, if you guys aren't in the fucking Discord, get in the Discord. I've not even said anything about my Discord tonight. Like, what am I doing, laddie? Get in the fucking Discord. Yeah, get in the Discord. The fuck? People missing out. Alright, I'm heading off to the gym so I can come back and conquer New York. Fuck yeah. Get a good pump going, enjoy the gym, bro, and come back and smash it out. I'm excited for you. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Oh, fucking hell. We should have put this more over here, right? 9th of August. Fuck. I don't know if I can do that. I don't even know if I'll make it. Oh, we got 4 people on YouTube. What up? Who's in YouTube? Say g'day. We don't usually get fucking anyone hanging around in YouTube, to be honest. It's just there for people to rewatch. And people rewatch it a lot. It's fucking bizarre. It's fucking bizarre. What platform are you on? MetaTrader 4. Yep, Real Talk is just all over it. I could just probably just sit back and do nothing. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are you guys here? Can you hear me? We good? Right, just like rip my fucking headphones. No, like rip my fucking headphones and fucking rip my computer around. I don't know what happened. And then it was just like OBS lost connection. I don't know how that had anything to do with OBS. I mean, I might have fucked with my Ethernet because I use an Ethernet. And the bro, I got like, I just bought a random Ethernet cable, right? And I was like, dude, I'm not even kidding. This Ethernet cable is like, can you guys see this? It's probably like this long. Like, the fuck? I didn't read it or anything. It's like 30 centimeter fucking Ethernet cable. Or a foot long for the Americans. Like, what the fuck? The real Nicole Marshall, thank you very much for following me. And Rennie Devison, thank you very much for following me too. I've got you. Thank you. Thank you. Is that the only platform to use for trading? No. There are plenty of platforms. I just prefer MetaTrader 4 because I've developed a algorithmic bot that takes trades for me. God, lots of movement. Lots of movement. Is it a router or a router? It's a router. Are you on gold? No. Oh, we're good. Thank you guys very much. Oh. 9th of fucking August. God damn it. What was I doing again? I was doing something. I was like getting up to do something or some shit. Honestly, man, this is the worst thing about being sick, is you're just like completely fried. Like, your fucking brain just doesn't work properly, you know? It's so weird, man. It's so weird. Like, you forget everything, you don't know what the fuck. Like, it's just like confusing. It's fucking bizarre, eh? McLovin, thank you very much for following me. Just thoughts on Moomoo. I don't even know what that is. Is that like an exchange or a broker or some shit? I never used it. If we join the mentorship, are we getting signals from the bot or physically using the bot? Physically using it. You get it. Are you looking? If you're looking into it, send me a message and I can run it through, run a few things with you now on what you get, all the goodies, the goodie bag. Well, surprisingly, we don't have any of the mentorship members in here today. Hold up. It's probably because bro, it's been so quiet, the stream. They were in here earlier, then left. Yeah, not a whole lot, eh? Justin! Welcome to the Discord, if you're in here. At least we got fucking one person joined the Discord. I knew I needed to fucking say something. Fancy this, just started trading. Nice. You just found a fantastic, gorgeous, ginger, amazing, no bullshit mentor. Who's currently sick as fuck, unfortunately. The fuck? What Discord was that? Who was that? Fuck, I got it. Do you mentor for free? I mean, like, kind of, not really. In my Discord, like, people message me on Discord all the time asking me questions, or they put it in the community chat or whatever, and we all fucking talk about it and blah, 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 blah. And I respond to everyone in my DMs. Like, if someone messages me, asks me a question, I respond to literally everyone. However, I don't give away my entire fucking strategy for free. You gotta have some form of fucking paid service. Join a group with signals, going pretty good so far. Be extremely careful with signals. Be extremely careful with signals. Signals don't usually work. Long term. Absolutely fucking not. They are honestly terrible. It's mostly a scam. I have been in the back end of the signal groups, and yeah, it's mostly bullshit. What stock is this? This is CAD Swiss. This isn't a stock. This is just currencies. If I put $1 in day trading, can I go $50 in debt? No. No. You'll probably have, depending on your leverage and your margin, but you'll probably have like a 70% margin, so you could go down to like maybe 30 cents before you get margin called if you're using leverage. You trade options? Nah, CFDs only. Javer, thank you very much for following me. Mr. Do Something. Thank you very much for following me. Appreciate it. It's good to see a couple of people in the live stream, because we've had it pretty rough with TikTok fucking being a hater. Alicio, thank you very much for following me. We were 100% gonna hit 5,000 followers by last Wednesday. 100%, until TikTok fucking decided to just ruin everyone's stream. And no one could do anything. Like, literally no one could do anything. How's TikTok hating? So what, I don't know, what they did right was that there must have been some fuck up with some form of, I don't know, AI detection algorithm something, right? And what was happening to like every trader was And I don't know if it was every trader or if it was a lot of other people, but it was just a couple of traders I spoke to had the same problem, which is we were getting these messages saying hold on, I'll get the message. I got a photo of it on my phone. It was so bizarre, man. It was so fucking bizarre. Live visibility restricted. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. This is in line with the For You eligibility standards under our community guidelines. It made no sense. It made absolutely no sense. So, that happened pretty much the entire of last week. And then they finally allowed it today, and of course, they don't give us any viewers. This is like this would be the worst, like my lowest viewed stream ever. We were going fucking real well. By this time, we would have had like 4,000 people come through. We're at 1,100. Like, I don't know. Profitable? Yes. Well, that's crazy. Yeah, dude. Ridiculous. What up, Xander? How you going? How long have you been trading? 5 years. It's always been currencies. Yeah, I started with currencies. I traded indices for a year and a half, probably. And I stopped trading indices a couple of months ago when I started the community and everything like that. Done the work for the day, been 2 hours. Fuck yeah, let's go. How'd you go? You don't have to talk about it on here. I can talk to you after if you want. But fucking good job. I'm proud. So like this is your job now. You get to have fun with life. Yeah. Bro, it's not even like just having fun with life. It's more just like being free, you know? Like go look at my most recent fucking TikTok. That basically sums up why I do what I do. I can do whatever the fuck I want. What currencies in your opinion? Why currencies in your opinion? Well, I started with currency. It's what I know, right? I started with currencies, 5 years ago. And back then, Forex was like the big thing. Forex. And now people disassociate the name Forex with their branding because it turned into such a, everybody that was doing Forex was a fucking scammer. So now Forex has such a big scam stigma around it. So now all the scammers have gone over to futures, gold, NASDAQ, fucking, it's just going to be a cycle. And then they'll saturate that market being scamming, and then maybe it'll come back around to Forex. So that's what I started learning years and years and years ago. Obviously got scammed a bunch of times and everything, and it took me 2 years to figure out what the fuck I was doing. Sticky, thank you very much for the heart, mate. Thank you. It took me a few years to figure out what I was doing, but why would I, like there's just no reason for me to switch. Obviously I wanted to fuck around with indices and everything and try out a new strategy and give that a crack, and it did pretty fucking well and I made a decent chunk of money. But Forex, currencies have always been my bread and butter, so I just stick with it, That's just my personal opinion. You can make pretty much the majority of things work, stocks, indices, crypto is pretty hard to make work, but you can. It was very easy work, but it was just I was sweating real bad. Oh, true. Just a stream of water coming down from my head. Fuck. That's not good. Well, at least, hopefully, you're feeling alright. Hopefully. hopefully. And it's good to hear you got out and fucking got stuck into it. I'm very proud. AS Roma. Who is this? Thank you very much for following me. Oh, it's Tom's little brother. What's doing? Oh, right. Tommy's little brother. I was like, who the fuck is this? What's good? The fuck? Yeah, you were meant to fucking come out with us or some shit. The El Riz guy. I remember I used to fucking see you on TikTok a lot. I thought you were like someone just like coming in the fucking chat saying that you were my little brother. Where are you located? Brizzy. I was already tired after 1.5 hours to see how the rest of the day goes. Yeah. That's true. What time is it over there? Is it early? Yeah, we'll eventually, brother. Good luck. Good luck. 12:34. True, it's 8:34 already. Yeah, see how you go. Do this full time? Yeah, I'll do it full time. Well, welcome, Tom's little brother. My fucking head. Damn. Just don't go anywhere. Just come on and answer. $3:34 a.m. Jesus. Where are you from? How do you find out what coin stock to watch for trading? Sorry, I muted this. That's alright, just give me 1 sec. Never calling him again. Well, I use an algorithm bot that gets me in to my positions at extended conditions. But there's many ways that you can look for coins or stocks. I do currencies, so I don't do either. Which app do I have to use as a beginner? You don't have to use any app. My recommendation is MetaTrader 4. You can use TradingView as well. You're in the States. Do you know any brokers in the States? Does anyone that's in the States know any brokers with 1 to 500 leverage? I know there's a few, but thank you for dropping a follow. No worries, bro. Welcome. Thank you very much. Join the Discord if you want as well. Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. I also have a 1-hour beginner's video that you can watch. Learn how to fucking get started in all this shit. Oh, Dad. I feel like I went headfirst into a fucking brick wall. And I bet this blinding fucking light doesn't help. Jesus. Fuck. Oh, I'm gonna get off. I know it's only been an hour and 45 minutes, but I'm a bit fucking cooked, not gonna lie. This light is killing me. A bit crook. How long have you been trading for and what's your monthly profit? Monthly profit, I don't tell people how much money I make, but 12.5% of my account is what we've done this month. I take snippets before every stream. We're at 12.33%. We took pound odd at about 0.25%. So we'd be up to, 12 point fucking whatever. 12.6 approximately. 12.5, 12.6% for this month. Average is around 7.5 to 8% a month of my account size. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off. If you have any other questions, throw them in right now. Thank you, amigo. All good, brother. Congrats on today. Keep it up. How long have you been trading for? 5 years. See you later. Laters, boss. Take it easy. You can't get 1 to 500 in states due to regulations. You can with offshore brokers, but they're all fucking sketchy. You just gotta find the least sketchy one. Can you at least say if it's less than 50k monthly? I don't tell people. I'm not gonna go play some higher and lower game. I just don't tell people. Alright, you guys, take it easy. Have a fantastic evening, and I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you're not in the Discord, jump in the Discord. Link to my bio. Chuck me a follow. All of those, things that I have to say as one of these people. Beautiful mindset, man. Thank you very much. I don't know if you're taking the piss or not, but thank you. What stock? This is currencies. CAD Swiss. Alrighty, guys. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.